getting on it. We're after the big cats at Lake Erie today. I got my good friend Dave Weaver with me. He's been a good hunting buddy and hunting deer, mushrooms.
I hope you're not like the guy that
Rabbits.
writes for the Daily Record. He said he shows all his hot spots. When he got in the boat, he didn't catch another fish we could keep.
Now I'm one of the good.
Keep trying to think of deep that lake. Hey, Terry.
Yeah. Give me a golden hot tan today.
Did you find that or was you?
I found it.
Okay, I was gonna say it's on the boat. Yeah.
Probably. Trying a couple different techniques here. This is the old way we always did it with a bobber, about 3 foot down. Nice chunk of shrimp. Shrimp?
Yeah. That or the rock. I got too much weight on me. Took it off. This weight. That's never good. Yeah.
Eventually here. Whoa. He decided not to come.
You probably see me pick that net up and said, "Uh-oh."
Man. Snap that thing. He does not want to come out of the water.
Let's see that daylight. They don't like it.
Okay.
Ah. You seen the net coming, Terry. I'm sorry.
Was it a cat?
Yeah. Man, he's fast.
He does not want to come out of there.
I can't get the net underneath him before he's back down again.
Not big, but man, he was strong.
He didn't eat all your...
He didn't eat all the...
He's fat.
There you go. Oh. There you go.
Yep. Got off.
No.
He's ready to stand down. Yep.
Oh.
He got off. That's a big one. That shrimp?
Yeah. Oh, that's a bigger cat.
Here, Josh. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I'm trying to pull him up.
Here,
Whoa. Man. Come on.
You seen that moving and thought, man, I gotta go after it. He's leaving me. Oh yeah. Oh, man, he almost come back out again.
That's a bigger cat.
24.
Getting ready to slap. I don't know. Yeah.
5, 6.
What is going on? He is a blind catfish.
There's no eyes whatsoever.
No eyes. He's all black. Yeah.
That's a kitty.
Whoa. Oh. You got
I
one
seen
too?
I seen him, that was about it. He says, hey, I went back down to the bottom again. Oh, another black one.
Think it's the same blind one?
Nope, he's got eyes.
He's got eyes.
I've caught 2 fish on that same bait.
behind you, Josh.
He's staying down. He's not even starting to come up. Oh, he's mad.
Got a mad one?
Yeah, he's shaking. Man, got some power.
Don't they? I think you spin the boat back around.
He should be. I can't do anything with him.
Come on.
I'm just hanging on to him, hoping he's going to give up here. He's coming.
Oh, he took off.
You seen that net? When they see that net and then the light, they don't like the light. I'll tell you what, the way he saw it, he wasn't. I finally lost my bait. Oh, you're gonna talk to me?
He's talking to you. He said, Dave, wait back.
Give me my pliers there, Terry. My pliers on the tackle box there. Oh my God. They're right against them rocks, like you say. I think that's the one you just threw back in.
Mine was yellow.
Yellow belly?
Yellow belly.
Yeah, give me them pliers.